Okay, so today we're gonna pretty much replace 81 trackball, which for that matter, it's how you change for the 83 and the 88. Pretty easy procedure. All you really need is a flat rate screwdriver, which by the way you can get this fine set at everything for Blackberry on our eBay store. Also you can get lens, tools for lenses. That's something I'll show you later on. But really all you need to do is you take the flat and you push it in between the keypad and the silver ring, and you just push it up, and the silver ring should pop out right out like that. And then all you need to do is to flip your phone and tap it, and the trackball comes back out. To put it back in, pretty easy. All you need to really do is make sure you see those slides on the side that they going that way. Don't put them, whoops, don't put it up like that. Put it like that, and just drop it in. And when you put back the silver ring, just make sure there's 3 clips here, as you can see. The top that doesn't have the clip, just make sure to go up, and really tricky sometimes, but yeah, and that's it. Here you go. You changed it pretty easy.